this is electrochemical series. Okay, for cations, it runs like this. Okay, nice. This is electrochemical series for anion. Fluorine, SO4 2 minus, NO3 minus, chlorine minus, chlorine minus, iodine minus, and what? Up to OH minus. So the essence of this is that the one that is down, you have two ions. Like say you have chlorine minus and what? And OH minus in the solution. Okay? Under anion, this is chlorine minus. And this OH minus, this is OH minus. You have these two ions. So during the process of electrolysis, there's only one of them that will get discharged at the end of the whole process. Now, the one that is below, okay, has the ability of what? Of discharging, okay, a preference to the one that is below, which is chlorine minus here. So you have chlorine minus here, you have OH minus here. Okay, it is this OH minus that will discharge, okay, in preference to chlorine minus. In preference to chlorine minus. Okay, the same thing will go for this. If you have two ions, let's say hydrogen plus, in the solution under cathode. So you have hydrogen plus, and at the same time you have, let's say, sodium plus. Okay, it's this hydrogen plus that will discharge. Why? Because it's the one that is below, and this sodium plus is what is above. So hydrogen plus has the ability of what? Of discharging. Okay? Okay, in preference to what? In preference to sodium plus. Using only position of ions in the electrochemical series, keeping other factors constants. So the one below will discharge in preference to the one above. Now, let's do electrolysis of what? Calcium sulfates. Okay? Now, you see this calcium sulfates, when it is undergoing the process of electrolysis, what happens is that this calcium sulfate, which is a what? Which is an electrolyte, it will what? It will break down. It will break down into calcium what? 2 plus what? SO4 2 minus. But I make you to understand that whenever you have electrolyte usually is what? Is the melting form. So what we mean is that there is presence of what? Water in the what? In the electrolyte. So therefore, this water too is undergoing what? Decomposition, ionization. So this one now will change to hydrogen plus what? OH minus during ionization. And this ionization is a what? It's a function of the what? Electricity that was what? That was passed during the what? During the process of what? Electrolysis. Now after this now, there will be migration of what? Ions. There will be what? Migration of what? Ions. Migration of what? Ions. Some ions will migrate to what? Cathode. While some ions will migrate to what? To anode. Okay, we have explained it before that cation, okay, from here will migrate to what? Cathode. And anion, which are these, will migrate to anode. Law of attraction. Calcium 2 plus and what? Hydrogen plus will what? Will migrate to cathode. Because they are cation, they are positive. And this cathode is what? Is negative. Okay? This anode 2, SO4 2 minus, will migrate to anode because this SO4 2 minus is an anion, and this anode is a what? Is a negative, is a what? The negative electrode. I mean, it's a positive electrode, rather. So SO4 2 minus and what? OH minus will migrate to anode. Now, having done this, let's know the one that will what? That will discharge. Okay, at the end of the process. Out of this one and this one, which one will discharge? Since we are considering position of ions in the electrochemical series, the one that is below in the electrochemical series will what? Will discharge. Okay, if you look at it from up, potassium, sodium, calcium, as you go down like that, you have hydrogen down in the what? In the series. So meaning that hydrogen plus will be discharged. or you can just say hydrogen will what? Will discharge. While here, which one is down? It is what? OH minus that is down within the anion series. Okay? Therefore, you have what? OH minus will what? Will discharge. OH minus will what? Will discharge.